Alright campers, Mike Sampson, and welcome back to another episode of Straw Hat Adventures. Today I'm super excited to bring you the first walk around of one of the first 2027s to hit our lot here at Hartley's Auto and RV Center. It's going to be this Sunlight by Sunset Park. This is going to be the 16BH model. We have it, as you can see here, in the gray and black. And without further ado, let's get into it. All right, campers, as we start on the front side of this guy, you're going to see up front, we're going to have two 20-pound propane tanks, a manual crank for your tongue jack, 2-inch ball coupler. Up here in the front corner, you'll also see that red dial. That's going to be your battery disconnect switch. To get through a couple of the quick specs, this is going to be 2260 unloaded, a dry hitch of 150, combined cargo capacity of 960. So our gross was going to be right around 3,500. Our total length is going to be 16.6, 7 foot wide, and 9'11" in height. We're going to have 26 fresh, 28 gray, and 28 black. Up in this front corner here, you're going to see that large pass-through storage and also your city and freshwater. Large pass-through storage. You do have access from the inside as well. Your 30-amp power cord. One of the things I think is great about Sunset Park and most of their models is your freshwater tank is inside. So during those colder climates, you can keep that a little bit warmer, stay out a little bit longer without having to have all the extra insulated underbellies and stuff like that. You'll have a hot water heater, coax cable, some power outlets, outside shower. That's got an actual shower head to it. So if you wanted to shower outside, or it's good for washing off the boots and shoes or the pets. You're gonna have your sewage and waste receptacles down there. This does have 4 stabilization jacks. And on the back side here, you're gonna see that we are prepped for a backup camera up top, that little sticker up there. This is a rear entrance model. And we're gonna have the nice solid fold steps, big grab handle, rear mounted full size spare coming along the front side. You saw I have that nice awning opened right up. Not sure the exact dimensions. This trailer is 16.2 and it's just shy of being full length to the front there, so right around 10 to 12 foot in total length. Seeing some nice large window right here that's right next to your dinette. And then as we go inside, you're going to see immediately your bed up front with your storage slash bunk area that tips down to become a bunk if you ever wanted it to, or it will stay just storage. Got a nice little wardrobe over here off to the right. Here's that access to your pass-through storage. Over in your kitchenette area, we're going to have the microwave, fan for your hood, some storage, your solar control. All your main controls are right here on this panel. And this model is going to have the 3-burner stove with an oven. Now this is a large farmhouse sink with the cutting board cover. Very large sink. I really love it. Gives you plenty of space to work with. And then this cutting board cover is great to get that counter space back. More storage underneath. And then right across from that, you're going to have your dinette. Now this also converts to a sleeper, so you can get 3 to 4 in this guy depending on size. Or even more if it's the grandkids and things like that. A couple little ones or a couple pets, little dogs like that can fit up in that bunk area. I believe it's still 150-pound weight capacity on there. And then the cool thing is On this one, we're going to have that dual swing refrigerator. So this will open from the inside if you're using the kitchen, or from this other side if you're just reaching in to grab a drink or something like that real quick from outside. Across from your fridge, we're going to have our dry bath with medicine cabinet. The foot flush toilet, and then a nice sized stand-up shower. Very straight to the point, makes it very nice, nothing too gimmicky. And then one of the things I love is that these guys prep it to accept a TV, and you can do a traditional plug-in or your 12 volt, which makes it super nice, versatile. Another thing to point out is we have some USB-C and USB outlets over here, which are 12 volt for charging. Take another quick little pass around, give you a little bit better idea of what we're looking at. These do have heat and AC. So this model has the rooftop AC, and we have heat in here as well, which is propane. One of the other things that's really cool about Sunset Park is they do an on-off switch for your refrigerator. So if you're not using it, this little switch here will turn that fridge on or off depending on your needs. This is your thermostat. Excuse me. This here is in the interior is in their grotto. That's what it's called. There's this nice light gray cabinetry with the white walls. The other option is a knotty pine, which gives you a nice cabin feel to it. And there you have it, campers. This is the 2027 Sunset Park Sunlight 16BH. If this is something that interests you, as always, you can get a hold of me on my email at mike@cortlandrv.com, or you can also text me any questions you might have at 607-229-4069. The other place you can check out is cortlandrv.com. That'll have our complete inventory, more walk-around videos of everything that we have in stock. If it doesn't have a video and you're interested, just let me know and I will get the video made up for you. But until then, I'll see you in the next one.